Hey guys, we're gonna do which shark is the fastest.
All right, so this is which robot vacuum is the fastest, part 9. This time is the shark edition. So Wyatt is gonna send all 4 robot vacuums home at the same time and see which one gets to their base the fastest.
Okay.
All right, tell us who we have today, okay?
We have Shark AI, Shark on Robot, and another Shark on Robot, and the Shark IQ.
Okay. All right, let's send them home and see who wins. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, is it gonna be the Shark on Robot?
I think so. He looks pretty fast.
Look at him, he's so fast. He doesn't know what to pick.
He doesn't know which one. Oh no.
What is he gonna pick? He's so confused.
Oh no.
That one is so lost.
Oh, an unexpected winner. Look at that. Shark IQ.
Holy.
Oh, maybe not.
No, maybe not.
He can't connect. There he goes.
Okay, so that one is.
Shark Ion 750 is the winner.
Second one? Okay, this one's dead. That one's dead.
Uh-oh.
Ah, he's dead.
Shark IQ is in second place.
Oh my gosh, these two are so lost.
This guy is very lost over here. Oh no.
That's so weird.
He can't find his dock.
There we go, he found it, he found it, he found it. Look at this shark over here.
Oh my goodness.
I think I have to put him like near the dock. Because he's going into the dock.
He's taking the long way home.
I get him.
All right, third place, the other Shark Ion.
And then this one is.
No.
He does not want to work today. Ah, where are you going? Where's he going? So it looks like the winner is Shark Ion Robot.
Yep, and this guy is definitely in last place.
Yeah. Oh no. He is very slow.
Good job, Wyatt. You giving up?